Starting an online business can be great experience for you. While it can bring some new challenges, it also open doors for new opportunities. And you just have to believe in one thing. Every great success starts from one tiny step. And if you are looking to do something in 2026, then starting your online clothing store would be best choice for you. But only if you are passionate about fashion and willing to navigate supply chains. You can start your online journey. A female-founded lifestyle brand known as Uprisers show us how clothing can inspire and impact people's life. The founder, Michelle, is deeply connected with its customers. She said it herself that they take feedback to their heart and try to evolve their company from internal using that feedback. So here is the tip for you. Do not start something which you want. First understand what people want, and once you understand them, you can create things which inspire people. And that is the tip you can take from the Michelle. I know it is going to be hard, but if you believe in yourself and if you believe in advice of a successful founder, then you can also do this. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any queries related starting online business, you can ask in comment and you can also email me.